How to adjust graphic settings in Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are trying to improve your gaming performance, fixing lag, or just try to make your battles in Jujutsu feel more smoother and more visually sharp, here is how you can do it. First of all, launch open the Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade game on your device, and from the lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Right after you do that, you'll open up this page where you need to click Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and under Quality, you'll see Graphic Settings. If you are using low-end devices, then you can choose the low option right next to Graphic Settings so that you can minimize glitches, lags, and so on. If you want balanced performance and visual, you can select medium, whereas if you want the best graphics, you can select high. But choosing high may lag on weaker devices, so make a wise choice depending upon your device's capacity. Now, after you are done, you'll see the loading speed option on the next field. If the app crashes while loading a battle, you can choose the standard option. This will reduce the chance of problems such as forced termination. But if your device is okay and it is running smoother, you can select the high speed option as well when it comes to loading speed. So that way you can adjust your graphic settings in Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.